If you are seeing the App Store error, something went wrong, and try again, here are the steps to fix it. First of all, check your internet connection. Drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen, and once inside the control center, long press on the Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to the stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. If slow, you can also toggle airplane mode on and off. After that, restart your iPhone. Hold the side button plus volume button, then slide to power off, then wait for 10 seconds and turn it back on. Once you do so, all you have to do is open the settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Then scroll and tap on the general option available in there. Inside general, tap on the software update and update your iOS to the latest version. So install the latest update if available and go to the App Store and it might work now. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.